cybersecurity is probably the most fragmented part of the IT industry. There's over 6,500 vendors. Here's data, right? So that's really confusing for a partner, whether you're an existing partner or coming into cybersecurity. So our recommendation is platform approach. We're finding that we're able to bring our enterprise technology and our expertise into the mid-market and into the SMB space. And as you move into those segments of the market, the way customers want to consume is more via an MSP or as a service type of model. And because we've got a platform approach, because we go across all the vectors within cybersecurity, whether it be network security, cloud security, endpoint, email, collaboration, and then the management piece of that, the SOC, SIEM, MDR, XDR. Because we can do the whole thing, we actually have an MSP platform, a platform approach. That's really good for an MSSP, because MSSPs are about how do they reduce costs to many, many customers. And if you've got one vendor that can do many, many things in a cybersecurity space, then there's less vendors they need to manage, less technology, get their costs down. You know, as an MSSP, you can't raise your price. So what do? You add value to your customer, and if you can get efficiencies, then that brings down your costs. Doesn't mean you have to consume the whole platform at once, right? Start small, and my recommendation would be maybe look at our Harmony email in collaboration. We bought the market leader about 3 years ago, a company called Evernar, which is in the Gartner peer-to-peer right-hand quadrant by itself. Email security, between 86 and 90% of all breaches happen via email. So it's not only a good place to start, and it's an easy way to get into your customer. An acquisition we made last year was a company called Perimeter 81, which is in SASE, right? So that's obviously cloud security and access and security around that, not just with the cloud native guys, but it's a very, very complex, very fast growing part of cybersecurity. Obviously that's an area that we're investing in, but it's also an area that MSSPs can leverage. So it's not just the high end of town consuming it themselves and managing it themselves, but something that partners deliver as a service. Equally in the SMB and the mid-market. So we've come from an enterprise part of the business, but we believe that there's the addressable market in Australia for the Checkpoint portfolio is about $10 billion. So it's a massive market. So we haven't even scratched the surface.
Checkpoint's always been great with their solutions, but now we're kind of really adjusting that and trying to move it into an MSP platform. That's where we'll be able to help our partners identify how to resell it as part of the package or sell it as an add-on. And that's really helping it compared to the old traditional legacy perpetual licensing model. So a lot of partners aren't very experienced in configuring firewalls. We can do the heavy lifting for them. We pre-configure it, we'll get them boxed up and ship directly to their customers. We've recently announced APAC's Direct Distributor of the Year through Checkpoint. So it really does go to show the fact that we are here for the partners and we're here to help partners grow.